Hi everyone. How are you? I hope you are good. You doing the stickers again?
Yeah, we've got one sticker to put on today.
Yep.
We've got quite a lot of steps to do. We want to finish the book today.
And we got some food to eat.
We got some chippies.
Yeah.
Because Anna's just finished school. So we'll try and get it done as quickly as possible without many mistakes. 0 mistakes, eh? But I think it's pretty complicated, this part.
The instructions are all the way there.
Yep. Thank you. So where do we start? Up here, eh? Up in this corner. How do we hide the chat?
Look, we're doing a lot today. So this was 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 5 group, 6 group, no, 4 groups there, 5 group, 6 group, 7 group, 8 group, 9 group, 10 group, 11 group, 9, 12 group, 13 group, 14 group, 15 group.
And there's still more to go.
Yeah.
Here you go. So that goes in the middle hole. Yep. And if that black piece is pointing to you, that comes out to the, your right, is that right? Your right, is that right?
A flag!
Oh yeah.
Woohoo!
And then that,
Everybody journey, journey, journey. Everybody journey, journey land.
and then that one goes on opposite the grey. So yep, and does the circle come out towards the black? So that's got to go
How do we do it? You do
Yep.
this.
up like that, see? Upside down. Like that. And then the next little thing on. Yep, all the way, I think. Yep, all the way. And then this one goes as well, has one of these black things in it. And then that faces the way over there. Oh, I haven't pushed it all the way on. There you go, like that. And then that goes down. Like, I can't push it on.
What?
Like that. There we go.
Now can you try face like this?
Can see you, that's for sure. You're on there. Yep. Now we need the L. This one. Goes that way. Red up this end.
Peace.
Like this. Oh, don't get a mix. Oh yeah. Are you gonna do this? This part?
Okay.
And then the black one on.
Where's Papa? Ooh.
I'll just put
Where's
star.
the part?
I'll just put star power in. That one goes on the corner.
No, where's the pear?
This one. And on the, so that goes on the corner, bub.
Which hole is it?
The corner.
Corner.
Yep.
There's corner.
Yep. And then the blue
What
one.
side?
Oh,
What
geez.
side?
It doesn't matter. Oh, on the same side as that. Yeah, so like that. And then you've got a star par down the bottom.
What about star par? Ooh, star
That's
par.
that star par's got to go.
Come on, star par. This goes in another star par. Pretty hard to put it in the star par.
Oh, hello, Pen. You wake up from your big sleep. You feel a lot better.
Penny.
Did you want to say hello? You go over to her and say, hello, everyone. You've got to go on this side. Oi.
No, we don't want that to happen.
How'd you go, bub? You get star par in?
We got some food.
You want a chippy? Oh.
Yes.
There you go. And then this part then goes on to this part like so.
For sure.
Yeah, like so.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, we didn't make a mistake, you know. So first,
Daddy, I gotta have a chip.
oh, I have one. Thank you. Now we need the white thing. Anna, the white thing, please. Anna, can we please have the white thing?
It's not Anna. It's be Anna.
Anna. Okay, sorry, Pen. And then the white thing goes on like so. Come on. Penny, do you want to do
I saw a little bit of
What?
Penny. I see
Do ya? Hey.
Penny. I made it into Penny.
Yep. Can you grab the tweezers? Because we've got the sticker. Sticker. Tweezers. From
What
the...
do we do? Shippy.
You want another one?
And more chip.
Did you get them? Quick. Let's call this Smoko, eh, Pen? Smoko and Lego.
Yeah, my dog likes it.
Yeah, Smoko and Lego. Mm.
Out it done. Dad.
Yeah? Do you need a hand?
Wait it.
Yeah, they're just gonna...
It will be like a crab. Crab, snip, snip.
What is it? A crab?
Yeah, crab snip.
Yep.
Snipper. Why is she?
So now which one do we need? We need
Stickers.
this one.
Yeah.
Number
This-
2. Well, that already...
That has to go in here. Nah. Joking.
You can have
No, it has to go on this one.
No, it goes on this one.
Ooh,
Can
I
I-
can have that.
Can I please have it?
We have to put it on that.
On what?
Where is it? This measure it. Yeah.
Oh, quick!
Wrap it up. Wrap it.
I need to put it on. I got it off. Is it right? Is it the right size?
Wrap it. Let's see if it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it's all 7.
So we're sitting down.
Be careful, be careful. I'm never gonna do this like that. Are we allowed to touch it? Why do we have to use tweezers?
Just so it's got a bit better control of it.
Perfect.
Oh, look at that. Look how good that one looks. Is that good?
Yep. I want more chippies.
Did you show them? Look. Center. Oh. Oh.
I'm not going to.
Can you see it, Anna?
Yep. Hi.
Now we need these 2.
Do 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 do
And that one.
do do.
What are you
Baby shark do do
doing?
do.
Over there, please.
Baby shark do. Baby die.
And then that goes on top of that.
Mommy shark do do. Mommy shark do do do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark do do. Daddy shark do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark do do.
Hurry.
Give it the shark.
Anna. You're up. You're up. You got to make this.
Grandpa shark do. Grandpa shark do. Grandpa shark.
Wait, where's that part
It's
going?
a little the
Anna. Anna, we're missing a part.
What part?
We're missing that part there. See that?
Okay.
See that part? Is it over there in the box? We didn't line them up very well.
I'm playing
We
that.
need that one. See? That part there.
I'll touch it.
Thank you. And now the box below. There it is. This one, Pen, you had it. Okay.
Bad it.
Oh.
That was your what? What you want?
I'm all good. So now that one faces away. That comes out to the right again.
You okay, Penny?
Hey, just sit it down, Anna. Please. There you go. Like that. Then this one. What have you done now? You break it. It's all wonky now.
I'm gonna do baby shark again. Ready?
No. Are you going to do the Lego? You said you were
No,
going to do
what? Baby shark. Ready? Baby shark doo doo. Baby shark doo doo doo. Baby shark. Baby shark doo doo doo. Baby shark doo doo. Baby shark.
Grey.
Daddy shark doo doo. Daddy shark doo doo. Daddy shark.
Not orange.
Grandma shark doo doo doo. Grandpa shark
Anna.
doo.
Thank you, Pen. that. Do you want to put that one in? No.
It's jams. I
Sorry.
put out every single jam, and you don't know jams.
How's that going? That goes in the middle there somehow. Oh no.
The shell.
Hey?
No, shell. These are all the jams.
Jams.
Put it on.
So now we need a 3 and a 2 5s.
And this afternoon.
3 and 2 5s.
3 and 2 5s. Let me put those on my jam.
So I need a 5. A black. I need a black. Need one of your little
A
black one.
black.
Yeah. One of these ones. Please.
Different.
Yep. Thank you. Another black one, please. And then a blue one. A blue one. Thank you. And then a 5 long and 3 long. And then the 5, please.
A 5.
Yep.
Where is a 5?
So. Chip A.
Thank you.
Stop. Oh. You stole it.
Because I didn't know.
Oh, pinch my finger. I'll pinch my finger.
No, fine, Daddy.
Oh, I'll sue Lego now. I need a little blue one and a black one. Oh, we need another one of those black ones. Need another one of those black ones. Pen. Top, blue one. No, just the one. Just one. And then I need a black one.
There's one here.
No, one of them black ones. Same as I got. What? I can see it in the box. Yep, it's in there, next to the yellow. No, next to the yellow. No, next to the yellow. Up towards you. Drop that one. No, no. Yep. No, that's red. The one next to it. Yeah, yeah, that one.
Tap it.
Yep. That. That. Now we need those 4 black ones. 4 black ones, Anna. 4 black ones. I got one. 2. 3. 4.
This is riding along to you. There you go, black one. You're safe and sound. Ah! Like that.
And then this one.
Yeah. Wait, is that blue?
That's supposed to be down. Where's it
No, this is sliding off. Sliding off.
Is that blue? Is that blue? Yeah, that's blue. So now we... Oh. Oh no. First stuff up. All fix that. God, you're munching away on those chips and you're hungry. I need a black one too. A black one too, please. Thank you.
A stopper.
Black one. That's the bottom.
Oh.
There. And
Oh.
then
So, cardboard. It's easy.
it goes into that white one and the green one. There we go.
Cool.
I think we'll have to do the same thing to the other side now. Yep. No, wrong blue one. These ones, 5. 5. Black one, another black one. Tap. Blue one. Thank you. Black one. Like so. 2 black ones and 2 blue ones, please. Blue black one, silver one. Tap. Tap. Another black one. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5.
What?
5. 5. 2 5s.
Okay, I'm grabbing both of them in here.
Oh, okay. Tap. Oh. And then I need
I almost stole it.
4 black ones. 3. One, 2, 3, 4. Onto there like so. Right. Yep.
Colors.
We're almost finished what we set up, and it's good. This will go in the other side. And normal. Like they're healthy chickies, whatever they were. Like that. Now I need the black one. Need 2 black ones in it. 2 long black ones. 2 long. Oh, one. Yep, just the one black, long black. The L. The L. The L. The L one. The L one. The hockey stick. Now we need a red. Now we need a red star path.
This one?
No, the other red one, please. Ta. Oi. Ta. Thank you. Black long star path.
Ready?
You got it? Black long star path? Yep.
What's the camera?
I can't. Thank you. And then...
You're grabbing all of these. Just use all of them.
How am I supposed to use all of them if I don't know where they all go?
I'm just joking.
I just need the yellow. The yellow? Is there a yellow there somewhere?
Lucky last and nothing else.
Oh, what happens if I need more?
Nothing else.
Oh, righto, Mum.
And Daddy, do you have an auntie?
Hey? Do I have an auntie?
When you were little.
Yeah, I have an auntie when I was
Where's
little.
your little brother?
I'm a bit confused here, bub. Says that.
You two are going to the toilet. Ready? I am gonna drop this. Ready? Do you need this?
In a second,
Can
maybe.
see everybody see this? And it does have a tweezer on it. What do you think of the tweeze thing? Yeah? Let's find out. If that's a seat.
Is there...
Look what I got! Everybody thought that this was a seat.
a seat? Is there a...
They told me on the camera.
Did they? Is there a little L? A grey L? Oh no, it's stuck. A grey L.
Got it.
Ta. Oi. A red star park.
Red Star Park coming up.
Thank you. A blue star park.
What?
Blue star park.
Here's the Blue Star Park coming up.
Thank you. And just a black one. Is there a black one? Yep, just the one. Thank you. And then that
Penny's going to
goes...
the party.
Good girl.
Penny's going to the party. Up the party. That looks like a wheel.
Where?
Wait! Daddy!
Yeah.
I noticed something.
Did you?
Come on, look. See? That thing is that.
Yep.
So I'm number 1. I'm going to get number 2 book out because we nearly done number 1.
Yeah.
Here it is.
So that's the back of it done. And then a long black bit. Long black bit.
A long.
Yep. And 2 black ones.
Drop it in there.
Last
I'm
one.
gonna color in. No, I'm just joking. I'm just gonna color in with these. Coloring these with these little paint.
Oh, yep. And that's it. Book
And
one done.
I do have a paintbrush.
Book one done. Anna, book one done.
Yep.
That's a bit more rigid at the back here now.
Red.
Where's your... So that's all
I
we
do a
did.
painting.
That's where it comes out, Anna.
Comes out.
Yeah, it comes out into here, and then
Does the concrete is inside there?
inside the big drum, and then it comes out into this funnel, and then goes down our funnel into our, what do you call that? Our chute thing, and then directed into your wheelbarrow or whatever you got underneath. All done. The only step that's left in number 1 is to make the wheels. But we've already done that. We did that ages ago, didn't we? So all done, book 1.
Yeah. I got number 2 out.
Yep. So we'll start number 2 when I get back next time.
And then
Okay.
there's a book star.
Oh yeah.
Where is the book star? A book star.
I'll show you what.
Where is
That's all we did the
star?
last couple of episodes was the back stuff. That's the
Oh my gosh,
tilt.
this is really hard.
Then I've got our funnel on top there, and our rollers for our big drum.
Daddy,
When it goes
Daddy, look at this, look at this.
Alright,
Bye.
bye everyone. See you next time.